Welcome to Xamarin Forms tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn IValueConverter in Xamarin Forms application. So, what is IValueConverter? In our Xamarin Forms application, we use data binding, and the data binding may be two-way and one-way. So, when the source property and the target property are different, at that time we use the IValueConverter. Suppose our source property is integer and we have to convert this integer value to the color property and any other image property. We can use up any IValueConverter, and using this IValueConverter we can convert any type of property to any type of the type property. Okay, so how to use them? So here is a list view, and the list view contains only one text cell, and depending on the integer value we are changing the text color, but the color property takes only type of color, but our source property is integer. So how to convert integer to color with IValueConverter? So in this video we are going to convert the integer value to the color. So how to use IValueConverter inside our Xamarin Forms application? So here is our main page, and inside this main page I am taking a list view, and inside this list view, inside this data template, I have a text cell, and the text property is a name, and this name property is a string property. Okay, because this text property takes only string value, and this text color property type is color, and we have to bind the color to the text color property, but inside our list data we have only integer value. So how to convert integer value to the color? So to convert the integer value to the color, we have to use the IValueConverter. To use the IValueConverter, create any meaningful class, and this class must be inherited from IValueConverter. And after inheriting IValueConverter, we have to implement two methods, that is convert and convert back, and we have to use the convert method, and this convert method will run when our list data will be. So when our list data appear, this convert method automatically call, and it will convert the integer value to the color. So here we are passing the color number as a integer. So here is our main page, and I have a class called data, and this data class contains two property. The first one is name property, that is string, and the second one is color number, that is integer. So here is the name property is a string and the color number as a integer. So based on the integer value we have to convert that value to the string property. So how to do that? So here is our my data list, and I am assigning few data, and I am passing the color number as 1, 4, 2, 5, 3. So we have to assign and we have to mention the integer color to string value. So how to do that? So inside our IValueConverter class I have a switch, and on switch conditions I have multiple colors. Okay, and here is our red color and green color, orange color, blue color and violet color, and we are returning the color as an object. Okay, and this is our value. When our list view is running, it is taking the value as integer value, and we are casting this value to the integer, and using switch case we are converting the color to the string value. That's it. So how to use this number to color converter inside this list view? To use this color converter, I am taking a resource dictionary inside our content page resources, and inside this content page resources I implement this code. So to use this number to color converter we have to create the namespace first. So here I am using a namespace called XML namespace, and I am giving a meaningful name as custom, and here is my namespace. My project name is sample value converter and the assembly is sample value converter, and this is my sample value converter project. Okay, so using this custom name, I am taking this number to color converter as this class, and this class, and I am creating the key as a color converter. And how to use this color converter inside this text cell? So here is my text color, and I am binding the color number, and this color number is a type of integer. Okay, so here I am binding the integer color number, and after that give a comma and use converter, and using static resource we are using this key color converter. Okay, that's it. And this color converter will convert this color number value to the string property. So when we bind the color number as integer, it will automatically convert the number to the color type based using this IValueConverter. So that's it. So basically using IValueConverter we can convert a data type to another data type. Suppose let an example. Suppose you have a integer value and the number value, and you want to convert this number value to the images. So based on this IValueConverter, you can convert any type of data to any type of property. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.